Handicap Dynamite!
Our team was raised in 1935 by Captain Ahmad and Lieutenant Ranji. Since then, we are performing in all over world. We did almost 25 RD parades. This is the again we'll be doing our Republic Day parade in 2019. We got the detailment in January 2018. From that time, we started our practice, and we selected the men which will be performing. Otherwise, we have a team of 34 other ranks and one JCO. All those 34 other ranks, there will be the riders. The other events will be performed by normal men, which we selected from around 1000 men which came as a volunteer to us. Then we started our practice in the month of May and June. We started our practice with a 6 to 8 months practice. We are here.
And what are the preparations that have happened so far for this event that is going to happen on?
See, first we selected the events which we are going to perform. Then we selected the participants, the volunteers. We call for the volunteers. Then the volunteer came. We selected them as per our requirement. Then we started their physical training. First we make them physically strong because they have to perform for around 6 to 8 minutes continuously. Then we train them on meditation part. We give them yoga trainings because every rider and every man in the team, they have to be in synchronization with mind and body also. Any event is performed by all the riders and all the men which are participating in that event.
गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड हमारे टोटल 24 रिकॉर्ड है, जिसमें से 9 हमारे गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है, जिसमें 11 मोटरसाइकिल पर 140 आदमी का है और 13 मोटरसाइकिल पर 304 आदमी का है और एक बाइक पर 61 का है और लॉन्गेस्ट जंप है 51 जवानों के ऊपर से जंप किया हुआ है। पेट के ऊपर से गाड़ियाँ निकाली है 1600 बार।
We started with a pyramid of 40 men on 7 motorcycles. Now we have reached a limit of 304 men on 13 bikes.
Captain Katari, can you explain a little bit more about the motorcycles that are used out here? What is the make and what all does it take to ride these motorcycles?
The motorcycles that we are using are the Royal Enfield 350cc, and these are the standard edition Enfield motorcycles. We are using since first day of the team, we are using the same bike, and like modifications and all the things that we are using in this are being done by the team only.
Have there been any injuries in the past, or have you lessons that you have learned?
Yes, injuries. See, we have a tradition. We call the daredevil only when he gets injured, because every man in the team is one or twice injured. They have plates, rods in their hands and legs. Like I got injured in 2015 and 16 I did the RD parade, and 16 I made a record also. All the riders, they go through that phase when they got injured, then again they recover and again perform. First time in the history of 4 of signals, one lady officer will be participating in the motorcycle display team display. She is Captain Shika Surbi. She will be doing a salute standing on the seat of motorcycle.
When I have started with the team, it was really difficult for me. So because riding a normal bike is very different from being a part of an adventurous team. Because the people here, they do stunts. So you don't have to hold your bike with your hand. You have to hold your bike with your leg. So initially they have taught me how to start a bike, because now these bikes are not push button bikes. They have taught me the team has taught me how to start the bike. Then
It's a kickstart.
yeah, it is a kickstart. It is a kick. All the 34 bullets right now we are having, all the bullets are kickstart. So after that, when you have to leave your hand, you really you cannot believe that you can leave your hand and ride the bike. But right now I'm standing on the bullet and then I'm riding the bike. So it is a long journey, I can say. So it has become difficult, but right now it is very easy for me and very convenient to ride a bike standing on the bullet and driving. I think I can ride for 3-4 kilometers standing on the bullet. They have taken like tests and all, because they have made ditches and all. So उसमें से cross कराना. They have made sand tracks. In sand tracks you have to ride the bike. So you have to see that how the person is confident to travel in the sand track, to jump from a pit, from a ditch and all. So that they have tested.
And now in this parade,
Yeah.
the upcoming parade, what will be your role?
So here right now, as I'll be the team 2IC, so I am in the end, because in the end with the closing salute, I am leading the pyramid. Which we can see behind me. End thing which will be is pyramid. So I'll be with the closing salute and leading the pyramid. You can say.
How many members are part of this pyramid?
Pyramid we have 9 bikes and 33 other ranks.
How long did it take for you to perform, be able to master this stunt that you're going to do?
It has approximately taken me like 2 months, you can say.
2 months.
Particularly this stunt, because more stunts we have learned, other stunts also I have learned. The more difficult stunts are there, like the fire jumping from a fire. There's a hole of fire. From that you have to jump. So that again, I think later on I'll be learning, and hope so I'll be part of the team in future for 2 years. Then I learn more stunts and all. You'll be able to see more things, right?
What would you have to say about being the first woman as part of this team and 2 other women out there?
Because you can see that the nation is accepting women and girls in everything. Because right now you can say the girls are riding, the officers of the Air Force are there riding the fighter planes. They have become the fighter pilots. So everyone is accepting, and you can see that हो सकता है sometimes we'll be having the permanent commission and we'll be come in the combat role, because it is not difficult. जो male officers कर सकते हैं, you know, in physically we are little bit different, but yes, if you give a particular task and you the thing, everyone can perform that.